Xi'an Yuqi High Voltage Sealed Electrical Connector Co. Ltd. was established in September 2006 and is located in Xixian New Area, Shaanxi Province. As an established professional manufacturer of pressure-sealed electrical connectors for exploration and logging equipment in the field of petroleum energy, Yuqi Company's strength is also reflected in its fruitful research and development achievements. We currently have up to 51 practical patents and a wide variety of products, with over 200 types, which can meet the needs of different customers. These products are like keys, widely serving more than 500 domestic and foreign oil companies as well as multiple overseas users, providing strong connectivity support for the development of the oil industry. We are your reliable partner.